welcome back to the channel, hope you're doing well. Today you join me in the valeting bay of Borough Motors. Out the front here is my, new to me, Porsche 911 Carrera 2S. And to my right down here are 4 freshly refurbished alloy wheels that I'm intending to fit to the car today. So we need to get this in the showroom in here and get the wheels off. I have no tyres on the new wheels at the moment. They did come with some tyres, but they were a brand I've never heard of. They're called GoPro. Like, I've never heard of GoPro tyres before. Cameras, obviously, but... so I want to take the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s off of the lobster claw alloys that are on there already, fit them onto these wheels, which is going to be terrifying because there's a fair chance I'll damage them. Hopefully not. We'll get them on the car, and I've got spacers as well, so hopefully this car's going to have a much better stance, and we'll be looking pretty mean. So let's get it in here. Before I can do that, Josh has just turned up with a lime green smart car, of course. The reg on this bad boy though, Leo YDR. I will be endeavouring to take that off of the car, and it will be up for sale. So any Leos out there, hit me up. What camera? That one. Quick refreshment break. Our landlady here at the garage has brought in some Somerset slices, still warm. If you haven't experienced a Somerset slice, I can highly recommend. This is top tier baked goods. These tyres look gross now, especially with the tyre foam and everything on there, so we use citrus, it's like a degreaser, general cleaner type thing. Just scrubbing the tyres, because it's amazing what difference some nice clean tyres make. There's no sense having nice, like shiny wheels when your tyres are crap. That's a pet peeve of mine. You can have a car on the forecourt, it's got to have clean tyres and it's got to have tyre shine on, but not some really shiny, gross tyre shine. Just make these tyres look new. I think there's a saying in the car detailing world that shine is slime and clean is something else. That looks 100 times better already. It will dry out a little bit and then we'll put some tyre shine on, but yeah, I think the saying is shine is slime and bugger out, what is it? Right, so looking at the faces of these hubs up. See the difference that makes? Seems we're putting spacers on even though they're hub centric, which means they kind of sit over and sit perfectly centered rather than just being random. I want to clean it all up and probably put some grease on there, make sure everything sits nicely, and then when it comes to wanting to take them off at a later date, they're not going to be corroded to each other, so try to clean these up a bit. So we got 15mm fronts and 7 for the rear. The other benefit of putting copper grease on is that when you come to put these on and line them up, hopefully kind of keep it stuck in that position a little bit, because when it comes to getting the wheel up here and trying to put a bolt in, sometimes it can be a bit of a nightmare trying to get the wheel, the spacer and the hub all lined up. So it's worth investing in a bit of copper grease and putting it on there. You're going to thank yourself later down the line. Look at that. Beauty. The kit comes with longer bolts, which of course we're going to need now, so don't go try to use your old bolts and chuck them in with some spacers. That is not going to end well. Start getting some wheels on. so a bit of tie shine. And I remember what the saying is now. Shiner slime matte is where it's at. So we're just going to bang this on with a brush, which will be too much. So get the rag. Now that, I think, looks loads better. Just makes it look like a new tyre, and you're not going to get loads of overspray spraying up the bodywork when you're going along. That's too much, too shiny. Beautiful. One out the way, Bash. Yeah.
I'll come up a little bit more as it settles as well.
So there we have it, guys. Wheels and tyres done. The car is looking 100 times better if you ask me. That thing looks mean as hell now, black on black. The wheels look awesome. The guys at the Wheel Specialist in Weston have done an awesome job of powder coating those. I'm glad I didn't ruin them when I was putting the tyres on. Although I am reminded that I absolutely hate fitting tyres, and now I'm absolutely filthy, but say lovey. It's done, it's looking good. The wheel spacer kits have made it look awesome as well. And I'm just looking forward to getting some of the interior mods done now. Seats, steering wheel, I can't think what else, but there's probably more. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, make sure you like the video, and I will see you in the next video.